Sage Hill Lightning in the white. Nice save from the La Mirada Matadors goalkeeper. Matadors in the blue. Both teams will get scoring chances here as the goalkeepers need to show their skill early.
Every game sounds like a championship game with Neptune Game Time. Never worry about screening music or music licensing again. Game Time has you covered with a music library of more than 43,000 lyric-safe songs. Save time with Game Time and take your game day experience to the next level. Learn more at neptunenow.com. We appreciate your cooperation in creating a safe, inclusive, and positive championship environment.
No score first half. Second half, things pick up a little bit as Lightning seek to attack early. Combining in the middle, but the Hunter steps in. A little bit of challenge here. Ball cleared. Try to slow this down for you, give you a sense of the keeper's craft. Corner kick. Try to give the Matadors fan base a bit of a hand here.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just in case you don't think it takes courage to play goalkeeper. American Airlines heading into SN Air, beautiful Orange County, California on a cloudy day. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back at the right window. You'll see overtime starting in the CIF Girls Soccer Division 4 Championship game. Good luck, girls. Sage Hill Lightning continue to attack. And La Mirada Matadors show their penetration too. Emily kicks come with kicks from the mark to determine a winner.
La Mirada, Zoe Santiago, 2-1. Sanji Patel with the goal for Sage Hill, 3-1. Number 7, Zoe Chang with the goal for Armada, 3-2. The 3 Hall with the goal for Sage Hill, 4-2 Sage Hill. Goal for La Mirada. wins and penalty kicks 4-3. Congratulations to both teams. And just a moment here, we would like to get the teams in the center so we can award your championship plaques.
Congratulations to both teams on a spectacular season in the Sage Hill Lightning CIF Division 4 Final Champions 2025.
Okay, and now we want to present the championship trophy, presented by Assistant Commissioner Mr. Mike Middlebrook to the champions, Sage Hill. The Sage Hill Lightning are the Division 4 champions, presented to Patricia Mertz, head of school, Megan Sig, who's the athletic director, and Assistant AD Mike Parsley. Congratulations to the Division 4 girls champions, Sage Hill. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attending this Division 4 match.
We request your cooperation in supporting the student athletes and officials in a positive manner.
Fred Kelly Stadium in Pride of Orange Unified for this year's CIF Southern Section Division 4